Hi, I'm Miss S and I'll be showing you how to make furry cupcakes. So first you'll need is thickened cream, vanilla extract, 2 eggs, self-raising flour and caster sugar, some measuring spoons, a measuring cup, a glove and some bowls. Let's cook. The first thing you're going to do is take a measuring cup and crack 2 eggs. Then you're going to get your thickened cream and pour it up to the 250 milliliter line. And once you've done that, you have to get a big bowl and pour your mixture in. Then you go ahead and whisk it for 1 minute. Okay, once you've done that, you'll pour 3/4 of caster sugar into your mix. One, 2, and 3. Then you'll pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the mixer. After you've done this, you'll beat it for 3 minutes. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Okay, and then once you've done that, you will pour 1 cup of self-raising flour, sifted. Okay, and then once you've got your 1 cup, you'll pick it up and just sift it into the mixture. And then once you've done that, you'll get a little spatula and slowly fold the flour into the mixture.
So why do you fold it and not beat it?
You fold it to get some air bubbles so the cupcakes are light and fluffy. Okay, and after you folded all the flour into the mixture, you'll get your muffin tin and just put some paper cases into it. And then what I like to use is an ice cream scooper, so it's easy to scoop out and just pour it into the paper cases. Okay. And then once you've got your mixture, you'll put it into the oven for 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like before we ice it. Okay, so the little trick I like to do is I use a bamboo skewer and I like to put it in the middle to see if any batter comes out. And once it's ready to ice. Okay, so once your cupcakes have cooled, what you want to do is you want to make your whipped cream. So I just use thickened cream, and I'm just going to pour it in. And you can pour in as much as you like, depends on how much thickened cream you want. Okay. Now once you've done that, you beat until light and fluffy. Okay, and once you're finished, it will look something like this. And then what we're gonna do is you're gonna take a cupcake and you're gonna get a knife and try and cut a hole right in the center. And it might take a few tries to actually master, but it's okay. And then you take it out, and with your spoon, you get the cream and you spoon it into the little hole. Like that. Then once you're done, you get the remaining hole and you cut it in half. And you'll stick it into the cream. And what I like to use is I like to use icing sugar in a sifter, and I kind of like that. And then with your icing sugar, just spread it over the top. Voila! And then you can just repeat this for all the other cupcakes. Okay, and now for the taste test. Okay. Okay, I really like the taste. It's nice and fluffy from mixing it with the spatula. Really like it. And that's how you make fairy cupcakes. And if you like seeing these type of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications down below. Bye!